Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to make crispy chicken donut. It's so tasty that you should try it out. Let's start. You will need 1 medium-sized onion, coriander, mint and 3 to 4 chilies. Next, red chili powder, chicken powder, garam masala, chaat masala, dry mint, jeera, red chili flakes. Everything here is 1 tablespoon. Now this is Cheetos flaming hot flavor. Add it in the blender and blend it out. Something like this. Now next, this is 3 breast pieces of chicken. Go back to the blender again and add the ingredients that were showed earlier. Now add the chicken in with the masala. Blend it well. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now it will turn into something like this. Now take some oil and start making the patties as shown. You can make more like this as much as you want. Now take 1 egg and add half tablespoon of black pepper and a pinch of salt. Add half cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix well. It will turn into something like this. Now take the patties and dip them in the egg and then in the crushed chips and coat it well like this. Now make as many as you want. Next, heat up some oil and add them one by one and fry them. Next, here we're preparing the sauce, so you can take the dressing sauce and Szechuan chutney. Now mix them well together. It's done. Now after frying, our yummy recipe is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.